it's snack time. Let's go and wash your hands.
Ooh, snack time, my favorite.
Snack time. Anna, that's not how you wash your hands. Huh? You have to count to 20 when you're washing your hands. Or sing the alphabet song.
Oh, thanks, Charlie. Let me try that out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Ah, my hands, they smell cleaner.
Right? Good job, Anna! How to wash your hands is simple. Just rinse your hands and then scrub with some soap for 20 seconds. Either counting 1, 2, 3, 4, like 1 to 20, or singing the standard alphabet song, which is like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, like that.